Hello everyone, and thank you so much for watching this video. In this video, we are going to check why Anaconda is not opening up Anaconda Navigator right after we install it. So what I faced here, I installed the Anaconda from this website, but after successfully installing it into my PC, it was not opening up the Anaconda Navigator by default. So what we did, I typically go to this particular folder where I have saved my Anaconda. So this is my folder. I typically get inside that. Then we have another folder called scripts. Go to that scripts. We have over here Anaconda Navigator. It's nothing but the kind of .exe. Double click on this one. It will open up this pop-up. You can see over here at the top it says anaconda-navigator.exe. It is running in the background. It will take some time, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, but it will open up the Anaconda Navigator for you. So this is the way I did it. So what you can do, you can right click on this icon and then again pin it so that you do not have to do the same thing again. So this way I was able to go to my Anaconda Navigator right after I installed the Anaconda in my system. So that's